So it's November 11th. We're kind of at the end of the week. Denise is working on the hood again. We had to reprime it after we did some more body fill to pick up some of the dents and the nicks. And I've got a little red putty on there to get it ready for top coat again. She's getting ready to leave to go up to top of Michigan to see her dad. And but it's again coming out good. You know, second time is always a charm. The bed is right here. You know, what we had to finish on the bed was the front part because we had it standing up when we painted it. And so we did the front part and then the back. Again, inside, all good. This all has to be sanded. That's the hard part. Sanding it, and then re-sanding it. And then inside for today, we did the doors and the cab. This is glacier blue. This is the original color of the truck. And this came out good. Again, we're not going for show quality. This is full thing, Mason, 2K, urethane, single stage. There are some issues that we got to correct, but came out good. It's got paint on it now. That's the key thing. And then the cab itself. Up on the top. Kind of hard to spray all this, really. You're sweating, trying to avoid runs. The inside got a good coat on it. A couple coats, 3 coats, maybe. Probably have to do some more touch-up. Dash is all painted up. Got down in the corners. In the back of the cab, got a little run right there. But we got most of the little dents out and stuff and filled, which is good. I'll have to do some color sanding on it. And dash. Those right there, these brackets. This is the installation mounting brackets. I scuffed those up and painted them with some Eastman chassis black just to protect those. This is the back of the door. Get one of the doors turned around. Those speed thing. And really outside here this is the system I used. Mason full thing, 2K urethane, single stage, IB. There's the activator, here's a reducer. The gun that I used is this Defibrilis streamline gun, and then I put the 3M cup adapter on there, and I spray with these 3M cups. They do really good job of getting all your paint. I set it up so you do about 3/4 of a gallon of finish coat, and then 4 of these cups, and then you just kind of keep going. You're not having to kind of come back to the well. The cavities that are going to be filled with a wax. And here's the system by KBS. It's a really nice wax coating. What's unique is they have a system kind of like Eastman. It's got this little 360 degree deal. You put this on, that right there is about 36 or 40 inches long, a bit longer than Eastman. Then to control the water,